my lovely students. I hope you're doing fine and staying safe at home. Today in this video we'll be revising a poem which is Giraffes, written by Mary Ann Hoberman. Okay. Do you love animals? Yes, I do. Do you? I'm sure you do. So this poem is based on giraffes. This poem expresses the poet's love for the animals. Through the poem, she gives reasons why she likes this gentle animal. And when we'll read and understand this poem, even we'll also start loving this animal. So now let's get started. The poem begins with the speaker saying that she likes giraffes. Let's read the poem. Giraffes. I like them. Ask me why. So in the first 3 lines, we just get to know that the speaker likes giraffes. She says she likes giraffes because they hold their heads high. उनका सर कितना ऊंचा होता है and can stretch their necks right up to the sky. She also likes them because they are very calm, quiet and shy. उसको वो इसलिए भी पसंद है क्योंकि वो बहुत शांत और बहुत जेंटल और बहुत शाय होते हैं, शर्मीले होती है, अनलाइक द टाइगर्स एंड लायंस. लायन तो बिल्कुल देखते ही अटैक करता है ना, बट जिराफ्स दे आर वेरी शाय, वेरी काम एंड वेरी जेंटल. शी एड्स दैट जिराफ रन सो फास्ट. जिराफ्स बहुत तेज भागते हैं. इट सीम्स एज इफ दे आर फ्लाइंग, और ऐसे लगता है एज इफ वो उड़ रहे हो. देन शी टॉक्स अबाउट देयर आईज. फिर वो किसके बारे में बात करती है? अबाउट देयर eyes that looks as same as a brown velvet. बिल्कुल velvet की तरह soft velvet की तरह दिखती है वो. And that their coats have tan colored spots. Coats means their fur of the skin, their skin. So वो कैसे लगते हैं? बिल्कुल tan color के जैसे, थोड़ा सा yellowish color में. Finally she says she likes giraffes because they eat the tops of the trees and their legs have knobby knees. Knobby means bony. Bony means very thin. उनकी knees बहुत पतली पतली होती है. The speaker concludes by saying that because of these reasons she has started liking giraffes so much. वो ये बोलती है कि इन reasons की वजह से मुझे giraffes बहुत पसंद है. Let's read this poem again. Read after me, okay? Giraffes. I like them. Ask me why. Because they hold their heads up high. Because their necks stretch to the sky. Because they are quiet, calm and shy. Because they run so fast, they fly. Because their eyes are velvet brown. Because their coats are spotted tan. Because they eat the tops of trees. Because their legs have knobby knees. Abhi I told you now what is the meaning of knobby? Bony, thin. Because. That's why I like giraffes. So this is the poem. I hope you like the poem. Now let's quickly revise the rhyming words of this poem, okay? So we have 5 rhyming words that sounds really similar, okay? जो बिल्कुल same sound करते हैं. Why, high, sky, shy and fly. And the other one is trees and knees. Perfect. Let's revise the word meanings, okay? Velvet, a thick, shiny and soft material. आपने कभी वेलवेट की ड्रेस पहनी होगी, बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है वो. यूजुअली इन विंटर्स वी वियर, राइट? दैट इज वेलवेट. एंड वेलवेट वाज कंपेयर्ड टू व्हाट? eyes of the giraffe. Let's make a sentence. Her skin was as soft as velvet. इतनी soft skin, just like a velvet. Next, coats. The skin of the giraffes. Giraffes are identified by their long necks and spotted coats. Next, tan, a pale yellowish brown color. Her skin was very tan. येलोइश ब्राउन कलर को क्या बोलते हैं? टैन. सो हर स्किन वॉज वेरी टैन. गर्मियों में बोलते हैं ना कि आपको टैनिंग हो जाएगी धूप में निकलोगे तो, दैट इज कॉल्ड टैन. Knobby, bony. Giraffes have knobby knees, thin knees. I hope you liked the poem. Now you will read the poem thoroughly, and you have to complete your written work also. And once you're done with the written work, revise it, get it cross-checked, start learning it. Okay? So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe.